Hi guys, Alex here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a GIF using your Apple device. So the first step is, we're going to use shortcuts. So I'm going to press shortcut, click on that one, and this is what comes out. I've got just minor stuff on mine, but we're going to create this together. So what do we want to do? I want to click the plus on the top right corner, and that brings the new shortcut window. So we want to give that an action. So we want to add an action. So the action for us is going to be create a GIF. So I'm going to say, type in GIF, and I can see straight away that I can see in the actions, make GIF. Okay, so that's one input we've given it. And now where it says content, it's slightly transparent in the background there. I want to click that one. I want to sort of like tell him create a shortcut to do this. So I'm saying content, clipboard, current date. No, we want shortcut. Okay, so once that's done, the next stage is, let's give it a nice name, new shortcut. That's not the best. We want to change that one. So to change it, again, the circle with the 3 dots in, I'm going to click on that, and that comes out like that. Okay, you can add an icon or an image on that one, but it's irrelevant at the moment. So I'm just going to say, make the magic. Okay, and that's fine. Before I leave this window though, I want to say show in share sheet. So I'm going to apply that one. If you want to change that one, the icon again, you can change that one by just clicking on it, change the color, add something really nice. Anyway, let's give that a thumbs up. Okay, and then confirm that, make the magic, and press OK. So next step now is we want to pick a location where we're going to grab the video or the short video, whatever, and then we'll create our GIF. So I'm going to say plus. Okay, and we want to say save wherever we choose in save to photo album, because we get that information, we create it, and we want to save it to photo album. And that's pretty much done, guys. All I need to do now is to click done. Okay, that stays there. That's a thumbs up. I've given it to it. Looks alright. So now I am gonna go to my photos. Photos. I have got my little one dancing here. I'm gonna click on that. And then to create the GIF, guys, what you want to do is click the share, so bottom left corner, share, okay, and you want to drag these guys up till you see what you've created, which is make the magic. Okay, I'm gonna click on that. That does the magic for us, and then all I need to do is basically, break this down, close that, and go to my last, or let's say, picture, which is that one. Click on that. And that's our GIF done. Magic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.